Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you to increase your snap score on Snapchat fast. So this isn't going to be using some weird scam third-party app like Snapchat++. It's going to be on the Snapchat app. So go to the Snapchat app, and then first things first, we have to create a shortcut to do this trick. So go to your chats and then scroll up as far as you can. If you scroll up, then these three buttons at the top should show up. And then you're going to want to click the plus button. Should be the third one to the right. Now once you click on it, you should be able to add whoever you want to the shortcut. So add as many people as you can. You can add up to 200 people to each shortcut, so just add whoever you want. If you don't care about spamming your friends, then just choose all your friends. And then if you don't want to do that though, you can just add random people. So once you create the shortcut, go back to your camera, and then on the right of the screen here, you should see a lot of options for the camera. What you're going to want to do is click on more, which is the plus button. And then once you click on it, scroll down until you see multi-snap. Once you see multi-snap, click on it and then take as many snaps as you can. Android can only take 8 and then iOS can take 10. Once you take as many snaps as you can edit them if you want to by adding stickers and things. This doesn't really change anything, but it could give some variety to your snaps. And then once you do it, click send to, and then choose your shortcut by clicking on the emoji in the top left corner. Once you click on it, it will show everybody in your shortcut, and you're just going to want to click select beneath create story. So once you click select, it will choose everybody in the shortcut, and then you will just send it to everybody in the shortcut. And then this will increase your snap score really fast. Another thing you can do is always be opening all the snaps that people send to you, because that will increase your snap score as well. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.